Alright, welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel. Today we're featuring something else, something new. A brand new 2019 Mercedes Benz A-Class. Factory fresh. White color. Number 201 out of 250. Factory fresh 5 out of 10. Let's just say the designer of this Hot Wheel was Ru Asada. So let's just open it and see how it looks. It is a hatchback. Now, as you know, Mercedes A-Class is brand new for actually US market and Canada. They did make some Mercedes A-Class, but they weren't sold in US. I like how they integrated the license plate, the European license plate. It says over here, Hot Wheel, Mercedes Benz 2019. Same thing, Hot Wheel, Mercedes Benz 2019. 4-door hatchback, sunroof, tinted windows, black 2-pair 5-spoke wheel. Same thing in the back, license plate, Hot Wheel, Mercedes Benz 2019. Pretty nice. Now let's talk about Mercedes. Like I said, Mercedes Benz 2019 A-Class is the starting point, or the cheapest Mercedes for brand new you can buy in US market. It's the entry level. That's what I meant to say. They started producing in 2019 for US and Canada, but what I found out that Mercedes Benz A-Class was actually started selling back in 1997. Who designer was Steve Martin. 1997 to 2004, and in Brazil, 1999 2005. I'll show you some pictures. The wheelbase for the first generation was a W168 platform. And that's what they used for Mercedes-Benz A-Class. It looks like I said, a little smart car. And then the second generation, 2005 to 2012, with a platform of W169. Now, the third generation was designed by Mark Featherson. That was sold 2013 to 2018 with a wheelbase of W177. And this model is actually the very first model, 2019, that they started selling as a Mercedes-Benz 4-door sedan and a hatchback. So platform W177. I don't think they came out with a 4-door sedan yet, Hot Wheels. But like I said, also since it's a brand new very first edition, they made it white color with the stainless rims. So we'll see what they're going to start bringing up next colors and next variation. But what team will it be for the Mercedes A-Class? And we'll see if they actually start doing the 4-door sedan instead of 5-door hatchback also as a supplementary, or instead of the hatchback. As of now, stay tuned. Have a great day. I hope to see you till next time. Please like and subscribe. And stay tuned.